Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are safe and sound. Today I have come here for a presentation that Sir Sabi assigned me. My name is Agda Siddiqui and I am from General 2 second month. I will tell you today I will tell you the history of English. The history of English started from these tribes, Jews, Angles, Anglo-Saxons. These tribes are from Germany. When they migrated from Germany to England, then they started speaking English. Even they prepared English. After it, when some words of other languages means French, Japanese, Chinese, even Latin and Spanish, these words when added to English, then it becomes modern English. Now English is called international English, but the question arises that why only English is called international language. So let me increase your knowledge that only English is not international languages. Language there are 6 languages that are called international languages. These are 6 languages that are called international language, but only English is more prominent because English has easy grammar, it is easy to learn, and its concept is too much easy. These English is also called official language because it is used in offices, banks, schools, universities, and colleges. Now, we are learning English, then what is the benefit of learning English? If you want to become multi-talented, you should learn English. A person who know multiple languages, it is called multilingual. If you know English, so you are able to sit among the people confidently. This is all about my presentation. If you want to ask any questions, so you may ask.
How are they international language in Pakistan because we don't use this type of language in Chinese and Arabic Russia, but just we use English.
May you please repeat your question?
How are they international language but in Pakistan we don't use this type of language without English?
We know English, that's why we use English only. If we know these languages, we will also use. But English is used more than half in the world. These are the languages that is used in business. Means these are the countries which do not use English as their national language, as their official language. They use their own languages as their national and official language. That's why they are also called international languages.
There are some of them in Arabic, but they don't use Arabic and they don't speak why.
No, Arabic people use Arabic language when they communicate with other people in Arabic. Someone else?
Why English is modern language than this language?
No, these are also modern language.
No, you said in your presentation English is the modern language.
English has become modern language, but I did not say that only English is modern language. These all are also called modern language.
But these are not important.
If you learn it, then you will know their importance.
No, without English.
Someone else? If no one is asking question.
But in Arabic, when people communicate with each other and other country people, so they always communicate in English who don't know their
So
mother language.
there's a translator among them with them. That they always bring translator who know Arabic, English, and other language to communicate with the Arabic people.
But not everyone has translator.
When the businessman do business, so he know the criteria of business, so he always bring every important thing with him.
But what about the common man?
So common man is not a businessman.
But if we want to communicate in another language people, but we not just Urdu and Hindi, but we want to communicate any Chinese or Arabic people. So how can we?
So we can also communicate in English, easy.
As you said, Arabic is an international language, and that they people usually speak their own language.
They also know English, so they can communicate in English. Otherwise, they can also communicate in Arabic and other language.
Means English is then more international.
There is no level of international languages. They all are international language, but English has its own importance among all.
What are the benefits of English language?
The best benefit of English is that it brings confidence in you. You can speak among the people who don't know English.
What are the disadvantages of this language?
Is there any disadvantage of learning English or language? No.
If we learn this language, then we will waste our money because there is no.
If you learn these languages, so will you waste your money? How? If you learn these languages, will you waste your money?
Yeah, because what is the work in Pakistan in this language?
When you become the international businessman, then you will know the importance of these languages.
No. If girl is there in Pakistan, there international girl also. Is working girl. No.
Repeat your question.
I'm saying in Pakistan, is there any girl she is doing international work?
Yes. Have you ever listened the name of Muniba Mazari? You know, she is an international ambassador from Pakistan.
Another question. You said this all are international language. So right now, when our means my family is going to foreign country, so they learn English and they know they are international language, but they forget their mother tongue or their country language.
It is impossible to forget mother tongue.
No, but they don't know how to speak because their children is live in America. So firstly they speak English, then they speak, and they don't know how to speak Urdu. I saw many times and in my relatives all members are doing this.
What?
They are not speaking their mother tongue. They are speaking this international.
So they forget English language. So they forget their mother tongue.
Yes.
How?
If I live in foreign country and I know my mother tongue, but many people's children don't know their mother tongue.
So it means he did not learn his mother tongue. If he learned his mother tongue, so he will never forget.
Why do you prefer English language?
Why do you? Because I like to learn languages. That's why I prefer English language to learn.
Stop new discussions. It's a time to ask questions. And you write down like these all are international languages, so why we just choose English language to learn?
So it is our choice.
But
We can also choose Spanish, French, Chinese, Arabic to learn.
in Pakistan, not no one speaks Spanish, French, Chinese, or either.
You know, Pakistanis are different from others. They just find their own advantage always.
Always just we are Pakistanis.
We have lots of international languages. So why they are learning English?
Because we have interest in English more than others.
We want to interest in other language, so we can.
Yes, we can. Sure, why not?
Now English has become complete language. We can speak and we can use. But one also people said English is not completely language from French. Is it right?
Yes, it is right that because Oxford added 3,000 words each of 3,000 words every month in English. So it is preparing. Where do you?
Where do you see English language in future? What
become more advanced and more modern.
More modern in upcoming years. Any question? Yes, Mr. Abbas.
Do you want that other people start loving your own language to speak?
No,
Why?
because our own language is not so good to speak.
Why so?
Because it is not pure.
It's not pure. Urdu is not pure. Same like English is also not pure.
But it is advanced and modern. It's look good to speak.
Because a lot of people are loving it. A lot of people are, in the chance of, learning it. That's why it is now still, what should I say, enhancing, and it is still changing its shape. And Urdu is always, day by day changing its shape. Yes, please. Any other question?